Your hair isn't growing after straightening, keratin, or bleach. It's like it gave up. You see thinning, breakage, no volume. But the truth is, your hair didn't give up. It's in shock. This video is the first step to tell it. You're safe now, you can grow again. Hair growth and healing routine. Step 1. Scalp oil massage. Warm oil blend suggestion. Rosemary oil boosts circulation. Black seed oil nourishes follicles. Castor or olive oil seals in moisture. We're not using oil to grow hair right now, just to provide moisture to dead strands and protect the shaft. This isn't just oil. It's comfort your scalp forgot it needed. Each drop is a message: you're nourished. You're safe now. Let the oil sink into the roots, into the stress. You're not rushing growth. You're awakening it. Massage gently, not to fix, but to feel. Let the warmth of the oil melt years of damage, tension, and neglect. Your fingers are the first healing tool, reminding your scalp it's okay to trust again. It's not a treatment, it's a ritual. This is where softness starts. And softness leads to strength. Growth begins beneath the surface, and oil is your invitation. Sometimes your strands feel weak, dry, or like they've just stopped growing. This is your sign your hair is starving for a deep reset. Tonight, we're giving it exactly what it needs. We start with a protein plus moisture mask. It targets breakage, boosts shine, and feeds your hair from the outside in. But first, let's talk about ingredients your hair actually craves. Egg yolk. Protein-rich and strengthening, it repairs brittle strands and reduces breakage. Think of this as your hair's rescue dose of strength. It's full of biotin, folate, and lecithin, key nutrients for healthy, thick strands. 1 teaspoon honey. Hydrating and healing, it draws in moisture and makes dry ends feel buttery soft. No more dull, frizzy textures. Just silky smooth. It also has antioxidants that repair damage and restore shine naturally. Few drops rosemary essential oil. Scalp stimulation magic encourages new growth and helps clear up buildup. If your growth feels stuck, this reactivates your roots. Circulation boosting properties help strengthen follicles and reduce shedding. Mayonnaise. The underrated superstar, filled with oils, vinegar, and protein to smooth and protect. Wraps your strands in moisture and shine all in one creamy spoon. It also acts as a natural conditioner, sealing in hydration and taming frizz. Conditioner.
For added softness, slip, and to help the mask blend and rinse like a dream. Makes application easy and mess-free. It enhances the mask's spreadability and helps detangle during rinse-out. How to prepare. Take a clean bowl, and let's create this magic. Add 3 to 4 spoonfuls of mayonnaise. Creamy, rich, and deeply nourishing, this is the moisture base your strands are craving. It's packed with oils and protein that smooth frizz and seal shine into every hair fiber. Add 2 tablespoons conditioner. To soften, detangle, and give the mask a buttery slip that spreads like silk. Think of this as your smoothing agent, making everything feel luxe. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil. To boost scalp health, awaken roots, and refresh the whole blend. It balances the scent and gives your mask a therapeutic, spa-like finish. Drizzle in 1 spoon of honey. For that golden hydration that wraps around every brittle strand. It pulls in moisture like a magnet and leaves hair glossy and touchable. Finally, crack in 1 egg yolk. Your secret weapon for strength, shine, and structure. It's like a natural keratin dose that rebuilds damaged strands from within. Now stir, gently, until it becomes smooth, creamy, and luscious. It may look like a kitchen recipe, but it's giving salon-grade repair and glow. This is more than a mask. It's a full-on hair rescue potion created by you, for your crown. How to use. Mix all your ingredients into a smooth, creamy blend, no lumps, no chunks. It should feel rich and gentle between your fingers, like something your hair would trust again. Start by parting your hair gently. Use your fingertips or a brush to apply the mask directly to your scalp. Work in sections if needed, don't rush it. Let every inch of your roots feel cared for. Then, glide the rest from mid-lengths to ends, especially those dry, forgotten tips. Massage it in softly. This isn't about pressure, it's about presence. Now pause. Tie your hair in a loose bun or braid. Wrap with a soft towel or use a shower cap to let the nutrients soak in. Leave it on for at least 20 to 30 minutes. And remember, rinse with cool water, never hot. Because you've used the egg and undo everything you just did. This mask isn't magic. It's repair. And today it's your first real reset. You'll feel it after one wash. Your strands softer, calmer. Like they're slowly waking up again. If your hair isn't damaged by chemicals. Or you simply want to grow it longer, thicker. This is the perfect hair mask for you, girl. But for others, the ones with breakage, thinning, and years of damage. Listen closely. This kind of hair doesn't heal overnight. One mask won't magically restart growth. But what it does is powerful. With gentle protein and deep nourishment. You're telling your hair, you're safe now, you can grow again. That's the first step. The healing. Next comes the real growth ritual. The powerful oiling and targeted masks that activate regrowth. But not yet. For now, giving it food, comfort, and calm is enough. Let it breathe. Let it rest. In part 2, I'll share the exact next steps. The rituals that truly wake up hair from the roots. For now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next step in your hair growth journey. Your strands are blooming slowly, gently, beautifully. See you in next part. Bye.